Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to Printify. First, log into your Printify account. Once inside, locate and click on the My New Store section, usually found on the left-hand side navigation panel. From there, you will see a list of options. Select Payment Settings to begin the process of linking your payment method. This initial step is crucial for setting up your store's financial operations smoothly and efficiently. After navigating to the payment settings, you will find an option to add payment method. Click on this button to proceed. A list of available payment options will appear. Select PayPal from this list. You will then be redirected to PayPal's secure login page to authorize Printify. Simply enter your PayPal credentials and grant the necessary permissions. This step securely links your accounts, allowing for seamless transactions. Once you've authorized PayPal, you'll be brought back to Printify. Here, you should confirm that your PayPal account details are correctly displayed. It's a good practice to set PayPal as your preferred or default payment method for all future orders. This ensures that your orders are processed without delay. Double-check that all required permissions have been granted during the authorization process to avoid any future payment interruptions. Connecting PayPal to Printify offers several benefits, including secure and fast transactions for all your print-on-demand orders. It's wise to regularly monitor both your Printify balance and your PayPal activity to keep track of your finances. If you encounter any issues during the connection process or with transactions, don't hesitate to contact Printify's dedicated support team for assistance. They are there to help ensure a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.